go with Prophet Ayub for 500 this time.
All right, very good. Prophet Ayub alayhi salam for 500. Name the three things that afflicted Prophet Ayub. What are the three afflictions or the three trials that he went through?
The trials like through his life.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
He lost his family.
Yes.
And his wealth.
Okay.
And he got the sickness, his health.
Very good, very good. He lost his wealth, and then he lost all of his family members except for his wife, and then he lost his health. But during all these trials that Allah gave him, just to prove that he is a thankful servant to Allah and that he is a very patient servant to Allah, he had endured all of these with patience and thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that way we as Muslims can also take a lesson from this. And also when we lose our family members, when we lose our wealth, when we lose our sickness, we do not despair from the mercy of Allah. Rather, we have patience and we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for everything. Very good, Brother Adnan. You get to choose the next.